Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like, and also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to change your first and last name on Facebook. If you want to change your username, follow the link at the top of this video. They are displayed right here. You can literally change them in just a couple seconds. How do you do that? It's very simple. First of all, I would advise you to download the application because it will be easier to change your first and last name through it. Download the application. After that, open it and press Menu. Then open the settings by clicking on the button with a gear or the item, Settings and Privacy. Then select Account Center. Wait a couple of seconds. Open the profile. Here you need to select an account. Select it. Then select Name. And we can change it. There's first and last name. You can change your first and last name once every 60 days. Be careful not to make a mistake while changing the name. Done. There's nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later, my friends.